Next, XOR gate. So what is XOR gate? XOR gate performs XOR operation. So it is also a two input when output gate. So what is XOR operation? When both inputs are same, output is 0. When both inputs are not same, output is 1. Okay. See, when both inputs are output is 1 when inputs are unlike, and 0 when inputs are like. So exclusive OR operation is also known as modulo 2 sum, or often written as modulo 2 addition operation. This is the symbol of XOR operation. So first draw the OR circuit. Okay, this is the symbol of exclusive OR. First draw OR circuit. After that, one more curve. Draw one more curve and give inputs. So output is A XOR B. XOR is denoted as plus circle. Okay. So if I want three input XOR, means A plus B plus A XOR B XOR C. Then put one more input. Okay, like this. Or you can use two XOR gates. Similarly as say in previous way. Okay, here A and B, and output first XOR output is given to second XOR input and C. Then output will be A XOR of B XOR of C. Okay, like this we can implement. Next, truth table. So A XOR B is also written as A bar B plus AB bar, that is equal to A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, we can write A bar like this. NOT gate output also we can write as A bar, or that is same as A bar. You can write like this or like this, no problem. A bar or A bar. So this is one notation. Okay. So let us see the truth table. When both inputs are equal, output is 0. See, both inputs are equal, so output is 0. Both inputs are equal, output is 0. Or here see, both inputs are not same, so output is 1. Okay, this is exclusive OR operation. So exclusive OR, let us see how we get this expression. This is the Boolean expression for output Y. Let us see. Have you observed the truth table? Here ones are available at index 1 and 2. We know that indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1 is available at which index? 1 and 2. Okay. So output Y can be written as sigma 1 comma 2. Okay, using truth table. Listen, using truth table we can write Boolean expressions. If you want to write in SOP form, SOP form means select once in truth table. Okay, POS means select zeros in truth table. Okay, remember this condition. SOP means select ones in truth table. If you want POS, select 0s. So SOPs means sigma, right? Sigma indexes are what here available? 1 and 2. So let us see how we can write it. Sigma 1 and 2, right? So y equation is sigma 1 comma 2, or zeros are available at pi of 0 comma 3. See, both are same. How? So it is two variable function, right? So for two variable function, so y will be what? 1 means 0 1. So a bar b plus 2 means 1 0 a b bar. Next, pi of 0 comma 3. Pi of 0 means what? A plus b into a bar plus b bar, right? So multiply with a into a bar plus a into b bar. Next, a bar b plus b bar b into b bar, right? A into a bar is 0. 0 plus a b bar plus a bar b plus 0. So that is equal to what? A bar b plus a b bar. So we getting XOR operation. So both are same, means this expression is same. So this expression is same. So simply canonical SOP is equal to canonical POS when from truth table we can say, or by expression. So whatever leftover variables, see, whatever leftover indexes available, those are available in pi. Whatever, see, for two variable, how many indexes are available? 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, here sigma 1 comma 2 is available. So remaining are what? 0 comma 3. So those are available in pi. So canonical SOP is equal to canonical POS. This is the indication. So what leftover variables are available in pi form. Okay. Let us see one more example of XOR gate. XOR gate is used in where you are in gray to binary, right? Binary to gray conversion. So I am taking 3-bit binary numbers B3, B2, B1, B0. Okay, I want gray code G3. G3 is same as B3, right? B3. Next B2 XOR of B3 XOR B2, right? B1 B2 XOR P1. Next B0, sorry, these are G0, G1, G2. G0 is B1 XOR B0. This is the binary to gray conversion. Binary to gray conversion. Okay, these are the expression. We have to draw the circuit. How the circuit is available. Let us see. So before that, the circuit will be I will show by drawing. So G3. So inputs are B3. So output is G3. Next take one XOR gate for G2, right? I am taking one XOR gate now. Output is G2. What is input? B3 and B2. So B3 is available here. From B3 give connection and B2. Now G1 is one more XOR gate. Take one more XOR. I am giving G1. So what are the inputs for G1? B2 and B1. B2 is available here. From B2 give connection. So B1. Next B1 XOR B0. So here G0. B1 is available here. Rightly direct. Next B0. So this is the XOR gate. Binary to gray conversion. So XOR IC. XOR IC number is 7486. It is also looks like similar to AND gate or OR gate. So 14 pin. 7 pins on left side, 7 pins are on right side. So 1 to 7, 8 to 14. Internal structure. Okay. 1, 2 are input, third one is output. 4, 5 are input, sixth one is output. 9, 10 are input, eighth one is output. 12, 13 are input, 11th pin is output. Okay. Remember these things. So example, binary to gray converter. Just now I say. Now gray to binary. So gray to binary, let us see. I given G3 now. I given inputs G3, G2, G1, G0. I want B3, B2, B1, B0. So B3 is same as G3, right? Next B2 is B3 XOR G2, right? Next B1. B1 what? B2 XOR G2, G1. Next B0. B1 XOR G0. This is the gray to binary conversion. Let us draw the circuit. See, B3 is equal to G3. This one is output. This one is input. So G3 given to B3. This is G3. Okay, next we want one XOR gate. So I am taking one XOR gate. For that XOR gate output is what? B2. So I am writing B2. Okay. Now inputs. What are the inputs? B3. So B3 is here. So from here give connection. And one input is G2. Next, for this one, take XOR gate. I am taking one more XOR. So output of this XOR is what? B1. So write B1 here. Now inputs B2, G1. So B2 is available here. So G1. Next, take one more XOR. Output is B0. So B1, G0. B1, G0. Okay. This is the XOR gate operation. Binary to gray. Gray to binary. Okay. See the circuit. Gray to binary. Okay. This is the circuit. Next, XNOR. XNOR is complement of XOR. So for XOR gate, we putting bubble. This is the symbol. So complement. So XNOR is denoted as A dot of circle B, that is equal to AB plus A bar B. So what is XOR output? XOR output is 0, 1, 1, 0, right? For index 0, 1, 2, 3, right? This is the XOR operation. This one is XOR. So complement is XNOR. So see, 0 complement is 1. 1 complement is 0. Again 1 complement is 0. 0 complement is 1. So exclusive NOR means complement of XOR. So that we adding a bubble to XOR gate. So draw the XOR and put one bubble. So how can we write the expression output Q is equal to what? Using SOP means sigma, where ones are available 0 and 3. So sigma 0 comma 3, that is equal to, in terms of pi of 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. Okay, so let us see the expressions. Derivation. Sigma 0 comma 3 means AB plus A bar B bar, right? Pi of 1 comma 2 means A plus B bar into A bar plus B, that is equal to what? Multiply A into A bar plus AB plus A bar B bar plus B bar into B, that is equal to what? 0 plus AB plus A bar B bar plus 0. So final answer is AB plus A bar B. So this is the expression for exclusive NOR gate. Okay. Similarly, using this truth table, we can say AND gate Similarly, we can find AND gate OR gate expressions also using truth table. Let us see the truth table. Before entering into the truth table, let us see the OR gate XNOR. This is the XNOR. IC number is 74266. Okay, 74266. Mostly we use here. XNOR gate is different with another gates. See, 1 to input, 3 is output. Again 4 is output, 5, 6 is input. Here the gate is inversed. See. Okay. Let us note this point. Okay. That one is important. Here 5, 6 are input, 4 is output. So remember this difference between other gates. Okay. Next, see using truth table and gate output. How we get AND gate output or gate output. So this is AND gate, right? Using SOP, we can write as sigma 3, right? Because index 3. So A, B. So Y is equal to AB. Or else we can write by writing phi of these three expressions. 0, 1, 2. Okay. Phi of 0, 1, 2. Both are same. Similarly, OR gate. What is OR gate? Ones are available in 1, 2, 3. So it becomes sigma 1, 2, 3. Or phi of 0. Okay. For NOT gate. Truth table. Let us see. Only one variable is available. We can write ones as sigma 0 or phi of 1 for NOT gate. Like this, we can write using truth table also, we can write the Boolean expression. Okay. And lab experiments 2 are completed. One is deriving the Boolean expression using gates. And one more is binary to gray conversion, gray to binary conversion. This is one more experiment. So total 2 experiments are completed. So practice work. Whatever problems done in algebraic simplification, draw the circuit. Okay. First for the cushion, draw the circuit, and after minimization, draw the circuit for both equations. Okay. Let us see how much the circuit is reduced. Okay. Thank you.